Hello, this is Alex Reble, winemaker for WineShop Alone. Today I would like to demonstrate for you our new product, the Host AirPOP wine bottle opener. First, make sure that you take off the cap on top of the bottle. That will be easy for the process like that. There is a needle, insert it right in the middle, push it down, make sure it clears that. And that's it. It's very simple. A little bit of pressure will help popping the cork after 3 seconds of pushing down the cartridge. After twisting that way, you get rid of the cork and you are even ready for the next one. It's very simple, very fast. It's going to help you during your tasting without a doubt. Again, pushing down, pressure, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed that demonstration of the AirPOP bottle opener, and I will see you next time.